point of view. It signifies the way in which a story is told, the perspective or perspectives, that means দৃষ্টরূপ বা আকৃতি, established by an author through which the reader is presented with the characters, actions, settings, and events which constitutes the narrative in a work of a fiction. The question of point of view has always been a practical concern of the novelist. There have been a number of scattered observations on the matter in critical writings since the 18th century. Since Henry James's prefaces to his various novels, point of view has become a dominant concern of modern theorists of the novelist's art. Henry James's prefaces to his various novels, however, collected as The Art of the Novel 1934 and Percy Lubbock's The Craft of Fiction 1926, which codified and expanded upon James's comments, made point of view one of the most prominent and persistent concerns in modern treatments of the art of prose fiction. Authors have developed many different ways to present a story. Many extended works used several ways in the single narrative. The simplified classification or a broad division between third persons and first person narrative. The narrator is someone outside the story who refers to all the characters in the story proper by name or as he, she, they. Thus, Fielding's begins Tom Jones in that part of the western division of this kingdom which is commonly called Shrine. There lately lived and perhaps still lives a gentleman whose name was Allworthy. In first person narrative, the narrator speaks as I and is himself a character in the story. ফার্স্ট পারসন পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউর কিছু এক্সাম্পলস আমরা দেখে নেব। র্যালফ এলিসন্স ইনভিজিবল, জেডি স্যালিঞ্জার্স দ্য ক্যাচার ইন দ্য রাই, চার্লস ডিকেন্সেস গ্রেট এক্সপেকটেশনস। সেকেন্ড পারসন পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউ অ্যাবাউট দ্য এজেন্টস, অ্যাকশনস and events and has privileged access to the characters' thoughts, feelings and motives. The examples are Tolstoy's War and Peace 1869, Flaubert's Madame Bovary 1857.